In. The books are in the backpack. The books are in the backpack.
On. She is lying on the grass. She is lying on the grass.
By. The bus was delayed by heavy fog. The bus was delayed by heavy fog.
For. I watched TV for 2 hours. I watched TV for 2 hours.
At. She is busy at the moment. She is busy at the moment.
Among. She distributed food among the poor people. She distributed food among the poor people.
Behind. The boy hid behind the tree. The boy hid behind the tree.
Along. We walked slowly along the river. We walked slowly along the river.
Over. He jumped over the fence easily. He jumped over the fence easily.
Against. The workers protested against low wages. The workers protested against low wages.
Of. These shoes are made of leather. These shoes are made of leather.
At. Students leave school at 4 p.m. Students leave school at 4 p.m.
Into. The teacher divided the class into 2 groups. The teacher divided the class into 2 groups.
In. Flowers grow in the spring. Flowers grow in the spring.
Above. The painting is hanging above the fireplace. The painting is hanging above the fireplace.
Over. Usually the boss leads over the meeting. Usually the boss leads over the meeting.
By. Please submit the report by Friday. Please submit the report by Friday.
Into. She walked into the room. She walked into the room.
Of. He was cured of his serious illness. He was cured of his serious illness.
For. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for the delay.
Since. John has been absent since Monday. John has been absent since Monday.
Across. I came across an old photo album while cleaning. I came across an old photo album while cleaning.
For. She is famous for her charity work. She is famous for her charity work.